How to kick someone out your Roblox private server. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Roblox and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Now head over to any of your game. Tap on play. Wait for a while for it to load. Right here you can see that your game has been started. Now tap on this Roblox icon at the top left corner. You will be able to see all the list of the users that are involved in this game. Well, if you want to kick out any of the user from here, then what you want to do is simply tap on their username, and then the option of kick out will be visible to you. Just click on that option and the user will be kicked out from your private server. But one thing you should know that in order to kick out someone, you must be the owner of your private server. Well, if you are not the owner, then you won't be able to kick out someone. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to kick someone out your Roblox private server. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.